Hi, welcome. Before continuing with the scene menu, I would like to tell you about Gizmo. You can select Gizmo in the shortcuts at the lower left bar and in the tools bar at the right side. Arrows move the object in axis. The red arrow moves left and right on the x-axis. The green arrow moves up and down the y-axis. The blue arrow moves in the z-axis. Small circles narrow and widen the object axially. The big brown ring enlarges or minimizes the object. Other colored rings direct the object by pressing on them. Yellow color indicates which ring we are spinning. We can get back to our topic. Open Box from Primitives. A pop-up will appear at the top for you to validate. These small circles will disappear after validate your object. Shape, edit and validate your object. I will explain the mirror issue later. Now you can use the tools and shape your object. Delete the box. Open Torus from Primitives. There is another extra option in the pop-up that comes up. You may want to discharge the torus with the hole option. Let's do this. Select the hole option. Edit with small rings. The orange ring is reduced and enlarged your object by making the green up and right down. Pink circle opens the torus. And the blue circle scales the hole in the torus. That's it, now there is hole in torus. Now validate. Delete torus. Open Cylinder in Primitives. In Cylinder Validate pop-up, one extra option, Radius. In x-axis there is only one edit circle. If we select Radius again, it will be bottom and top. Now you can shape your object with these circles. If you want hole in cylinder, you have to select hole option. As I explained before, blue circles give the size of the hole. You can unselect hole. Cylinder is like that. Delete cylinder. This time add cone. Cone is same as sphere, there is no extra option. Edit with small circles and validate. Delete cone and open icosahedron from Primitives. So simple, just validate. Open UV sphere. And NOMAD SCULPT website, there is a warning about UV sphere, so don't use now. Open plane from Primitives. You can use it in lighting, which I will talk about in the next videos, or it can be a base on which you can put your object. Open sphere from Primitives. And place the object on the plane. Select PBR from Shading menu. Don't worry, I'll explain these menu later. You can use plane like this. Select disk, plane will be in that form too. Validate and use tools to shape. Open Triplanar from Primitives. This primitive is different from the others. It has a different feature. The planes around it are masked. You can unmask and cut the object inside by trying it as you want. So first we have to choose the Unmask and choose Cell Mask tool. Draw ellipse to the mask. We are at the right side. Turn to back side by pushing direction indicator. Draw ellipse to all 3 masked plane. Now validate. This is the shape we cut with unmask. See you in the next videos.